Hello everyone, my name is Simon and I'm working at the Ubisoft Paris Mobile Studio as a live ops manager.
Hi everyone, my name is also Simon and I am online programmer on Mighty Quest Mobile.
You guys have been asking for it. Today we wanted to give you a sneak peek of our next big feature coming soon, the guilds. To begin, Simon will show you how he's created his very own guild.
In Mighty Quest, you can access the guild feature from a brand new icon on the main menu. From there, you can search for an existing guild or create your own one. As you can see, I already created mine using various customization parameters. What's important about guild creation is that you can choose the join condition, either open, where anyone can join, or invite only, that requires a review from an elder or the guildmaster. For all wannabe guildmasters out there, keep in mind that you will need 100 gems. Now, this brand new guild can host up to 30 members and will provide rewards every single day, so don't forget to click on that checking button. A gift from the online team is the dedicated guild chat that we set up just for you, so that you can share your most secret strategies with your fellow guild members or simply have a nice chit chat. And of course, once you're part of a guild, you will have access to a brand new game mode.
Indeed, Simon, the guilds will bring a new gameplay action phase, the Guild Hunt. All guild members will have to work together to defeat a huge, ugly blob boss, the Unbreakable Bubble. All guildmates will have 7 days to defeat this boss. Each member will be able to perform 1 run per day. And 1 run will last for 2 minutes. During this time frame, you will have to inflict as much damage as possible to the Unbreakable Bubble. So Simon, tell us a bit more about how it works in terms of gameplay.
The first thing I need to say is that it won't be easy. The boss is an enemy with a gigantic HP bar that you won't be able to defeat in a single run. On top of that, the more it gets hurt, the more it gets angry. The boss has 3 phases with increased difficulty that will require skills and strategy. If you want to defeat it, you will have to be careful of the boss weaknesses that will rotate every week. Be sure to come with the correct skills, elemental gear and playstyle if you want to get that bonus damage. And of course, as it's a guild hunt, you won't be facing that monstrosity alone. You will be supported by 2 guild members' ghosts controlled by the computer. In case one of your precious fellow guild members falls during battle, he will be trapped into a big shaking tombstone. To revive him, you will have to take down that sarcophagus. So Simon, what are we going to get for confronting the Unbreakable Bubble?
Excellent question, Simon. You guys are going to earn guild crystals. Those will be gained for each daily run that you are going to perform, and also by completing some global guild milestone scaling on the damages that all guild members will inflict on the boss. Defeating the Unbreakable Bubble before the 7-day limit will bring you a lot of guild crystals. However, as Simon said, it will be no easy task. Nevertheless, if you guys manage to achieve this tremendous feat, it won't be the end, because a new version more powerful of the boss will appear. Those crystals can be spent in a new guild shop, where you'll be able to exchange them against various resources, including some exclusive gear.
And so that covers our first introduction about Mighty Quest Guild and Guild Hunt.
We hope that you guys liked this video, and we really look forward to hearing your feedback on this new feature. We have a lot of ideas to make the guilds even bigger in the future, and we are going to check how you guys like this first iteration. Thank you very much for watching, and stay mighty!